Hey, we went inside growing. We got here some Kobe's. Then we got some Royals. And then we got some chili pepper. Yeah. Shit. No. Nah. Ah. Bad. Only one survived. God damn it. Ah. You got there. God damn. This is all left. We got a big win. No bad. Bad. Yeah, we had some strong wind yesterday. So I moved the, forgot who was there, moved it to this house next wall. And this is some a little bit blown, but there's some seeds still in, so hopefully it will blossom. But we had some there, everything went to shit. And yeah, we're gonna continue some new stuff today. You can see some random stuff growing. I don't know what you call them. Yeah. Yeah, so I got here some Pinocchio. Got it just here. Yesterday we had the wind. You can see, I think this was Kobe. You can see the seeds are a little bit up coming out, so I think I will need to put some more that black, I don't know, more on it so it doesn't show out. But yeah, here it's Pinocchio. Here we're gonna have some wood strawberries. Yep, one of the biggest now. We're gonna have some China Esther. Yeah, right here. And the last one today, some tomatoes. Gonna put them right about here. We grown pretty fast. This all just in 2 days. Yeah.